In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge Quest Pro controllers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Quest Pro controllers. In order to charge them, you will have two main options: the charging dock, which is recommended, and also you can connect it directly to a power outlet using the power adapter if you aren't able to set up the charging dock, for example, if you are traveling. So in order to charge them, first I'm going to be talking about the charging dock and then the alternative option. If you have the dock, you can set it up by plugging the cable into the dock itself, and then the other end goes into any suitable power outlet. Once it is in a power outlet, you will be able to charge the controllers by making sure that these pins are making contact with each other. So essentially, you will be resting the controllers in these pins. This portion up above is going to be for the actual headset. So you charge the headset by resting it here, and you charge the controllers by resting them on these pins at the bottom. Once you place them like so, as you can see on the left, they will begin to charge, and you will see the LED indicator will change to tell you that they are charging. So all that you have to do is rest them here and wait for them to charge fully. Once they are fully charged, the LED indicator will change, and of course the exact same thing can be done with the headset by resting it on this upper portion. Now, like I mentioned before, if you don't want to use the charging dock, you can just plug the power adapter directly into a power outlet, plug one end of the USB cable into the power brick or power adapter, and then the other end goes into your controller or the headset. So as long as you establish this connection, you will be good to go. The cable is going to transfer the power from the outlet or the power brick into the specific controller that you want to charge. Remember to charge both controllers, the left and right one, and once they are sufficiently charged, you can finish setting them up through the app. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge Quest Pro controllers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.